This video will show you how to replace a locking latch or lock on a premium version of a pump topper price sign sold by Gasoline Advertising. It's very simple. This this shield or plexiglass on the sign has a slot where the locking latch would go in. I will show you how this latch slides right inside that slot and locks from behind. So this latch is in two pieces. One is our actual latch and the other one is this piece. This is going to be wedging from the back. The way to insert the latch is that the step part will be going on the inside. So here's how it's going to happen. You take the latch and you slide the step part on the inside. It's that simple. Once the lock is on, and it is going to be sliding up and down as in when you need. But you need to secure it from the back side, and that's where this little piece will go in from the inside and wedge in the opening, which is going to be right behind. And now this lock is secure. It won't be coming out. Even if you would like to pull it, it will not come out. It will just slide up and down. That's all it would do. And you will lock your plexi in place. It has no way to come out unless you slide it and lift it up. Thank you for watching.